here with the blade, okay? And see how it goes. Doesn't stick out very much, so it's only going to be to small areas. Look at the crack. Yeah, so it's doing a good job of all the tougher stuff, the taller grass, the taller reeds. I'm going to just film down there, and I might just do a little bit either side of where the dogs run a trail, and just do a little, enough just to...
It hit me in the mouth. Whenever you flicked off, it hit me there.
You're right?
Yeah.
This is why I wear this one.
Yeah, it's just a...
You're protecting your eye, but
yeah, it was just, it wasn't like a stone or anything. I think it was just a bit of grass. Speed.
Yeah, when it's thrown up at speed.
The speed.
Yeah, when it's thrown up at speed, you know all about it. Yeah, it looks like it's still okay. Probably could do with the sharpen. It looks like it's still okay.
Hit a rock?
Yeah, hit the sleeper. There's a railway sleeper.
Took a couple of batteries mine, but swings everything. Good. Good.
Changing the blade on one of these Milwaukee M18 Strimmers. This is a brush cutter blade I took from a Spear & Jackson petrol Strimmer and put on it. Works absolutely perfect, really good. Really good for thick, tall grass. But I want to try another blade on it now. Let me just get see stuff wrapped around the spindle there. Let me just get that off. Otherwise it'll make it harder to get off. All the fibres wrapped around the... Got this kit from Amazon. 2 different brush cutter blades. And all the spare parts here. So I'll just show you putting them on. I need all of that. So there is in here and you can see there's a hole you get to in there. So it's at that sort of 12 o'clock position that you stop it. I think that's 13mm, that one. That's the one that fits it. It loosens by turning it clockwise. There you go. Right, that's that off. So that. Okay, let's try the circular saw blade first without a crack. Obviously you want to be quite careful handling this. It cuts going anti-clockwise, so I'm going to keep the blade on there. Put the one that came in the pack on, but I actually think I prefer the one that was already there. Ay. You should quickly take that off and do it the right way around. Okay, that looks better now. So, the anti-clockwise arrows need to be on the top, and as you see, that's it, split properly now. Yeah, you can see it anti-clockwise, so that's correct now. Alright, happy enough?